Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Dividend investing might be the key to making that dream a reality. Today, I'll guide you step by step through everything you need to know to start earning passive income with dividend stocks. So, grab your notebook and let's dive in. First things first, what are dividends? Think of dividends as a company sharing its profits with you, the shareholder. If you own a piece of the company through its stock, you're entitled to a portion of those profits. It's like earning rent from a property you own, but instead of real estate, you own stocks. These payouts can be monthly, quarterly, or even annually, and the best part, you can reinvest those dividends to grow your wealth faster through compounding. Now, why is dividend investing so powerful? It offers two major benefits: passive income and long-term stability. Dividend-paying companies are often well-established businesses with strong financials. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble. And here's the cherry on top. Over time, many companies increase their dividend payouts, meaning your income grows without you lifting a finger. All right, let's get practical. Here's a step-by-step guide to start building your dividend portfolio. Step 1. Define your goals. Are you looking for immediate income or long-term growth? If you're younger, reinvesting dividends to maximize compounding might be your goal. If you're retired, steady income might be the priority. Step 2. Research dividend stocks. Next, look for companies with a strong track record of paying and increasing dividends. Start with dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their payouts for 25 years or more. Two key metrics to watch: the dividend yield, which shows the return on your investment, and the payout ratio, which tells you how much of their earnings a company uses to pay dividends. A payout ratio under 60% is usually a good sign of sustainability. Step 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest across industries like healthcare, utilities, and tech to spread your risk. Step 4. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Many brokerages allow you to buy fractional shares or dividends-focused ETFs. One of the smartest moves you can make is reinvesting your dividends. Most brokerages offer a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, automatically using your dividends to buy more shares. This creates a snowball effect where your portfolio grows faster over time. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 3% dividend yield and reinvest the payouts, your portfolio could grow to over $16,000 in 10 years. And that's not even including stock price appreciation. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some mistakes to avoid. Chasing high yields. A 10% yield might look tempting, but it could be a red flag for financial trouble. Always check the company's fundamentals. Lack of diversification. Putting all your money in one stock or sector can be risky. Diversify to protect your portfolio. Ignoring taxes. Dividends are taxable, so consider holding them in a tax-advantaged account like an IRA if possible. And that's your crash course on dividend investing. Remember, building a portfolio takes time, so be patient and consistent.